Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Janisa Happy from class R4B with the last NPM 120. Okay, today I will tell my experience in my boarding school with a cool bilingual environment in boarding school. Okay, next I will tell you my experience in my boarding school. From the first one is my background. During junior high school, I spent my time in my boarding school. The name is Atakwa Boarding School, in a modern boarding school that focused on academics, language, and maybe extracurricular. And today I will focus to tell you about a language program in my boarding school. The language program in my boarding school is excused in 1 month, and a student focuses on two languages, English and Arabic, to learn intensively in 1 month. In example, like January, uh, a student learn English language, and February, a student learn Arabic language. And in my boarding school, hope students can easily understand about English and Arabic. Maybe in English, you can speaking, writing, and listening with easily. And in Arabic, you can uh, you can mastering too in this language. Okay, next for my background. Your next, okay. I will introduce my school, okay? And my slide, that is a logo from my school, Atakwa PM Boarding School. Okay, Atakwa PM Boarding School located on Nagrak, Cibubur area, and especially my boarding school refer to girl. There are boy too, but differences. Boy just learn and memorize Al-Quran, and girl learn many more, like language, tahfiz, and academic. Because girl has modern boarding school, but boy no modern boarding school, just memorize. Okay, I will explain more. Okay, my school offers a variety of interesting programs, like as I mentioned before, language program, memorize Al Quran, uh, 30 juz in 1 year. Yes. Uh, and many interest extracurricular like Paskibra, Pramuka, and many more. Okay. In my boarding school too, uh, to development your language, maybe you can school in this boarding school. Okay. uh, as as a student has finished my education in this institution, I feel so happy because maybe I'm like get many benefit from I have studied in there. Okay, I had studied in there about 4 years, 3 years for junior high school, and 1 year for senior high school. For senior high school, I take my TAFIS program to memorize 30 juice in 1 year. Okay, this is just intermezzo. And next, I will speak specifically from language program. First, from English program, because English and Arabic program there are different institution combined with my boarding school. Okay, there are English program. Okay, to develop English program, Pondok Pesantren Modern At-Taqwa, my boarding school, with a well-known language institution in Kediri. As know, you guys, Kediri is a region in Java who has many language institution, the best and famous. And one of famous in Kediri is Genta Course. Okay. Genta Course collaborate with my boarding school make to make program to be effective and clear. And my boarding school received uh, more 10 teachers from Pare Kediri to teach student in my boarding school. And as you know, we have 3 level to study, and before we get the class, we had a test from their teacher, uh, test to get level we know. There are beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, and after test, we get class. We know from the most suitable class from us. Okay. Okay, there are advantages and disadvantages from my program, of course, and I will explain the strengths and weaknesses of this English language program. Okay, from the advantages include a highly comprehensive grammar curriculum. Second is learning methods that incorporate fun games, and third is experienced instructor. Okay, the just 3 point. And to disadvantages, it can cause burnout due to the large amount of material. Second is a high volume of assignment. Okay, maybe I will tell you one tragedy. Uh, one day I want to cry because the material is so hard for me. And I get a higher class in my boarding school. Oh my god, I can't. And there are no support to me, and I will cry in bathroom. Yeah, just like that. And I had burnout from on this, but it's okay because it's just started and I feel benefit from now. Okay. Next is input and output from English program. Input, a complete input I get from English language program, of course, material and my experience to feel how we just talk English in learning. And output, we had certificate Genta English course, and of course we as a student had to study Genta English course, usually to enter in Kediri and teach in there. Okay. the output just suitable for you to deeply learn English language. Okay, next I will come to Arabic program. Okay, same with English program. Arabic program had to 1 month to learn. And what differences? Of course, differences is institution collaborate with my boarding school. In Arabic program, my boarding school collaborate with Tamis. Tamis is institution Arabic program, and from their teaching, they are focused to learn from Al-Quran and Kitab Kuning, to mastering English language. Okay, which utilizes a method of Arabic learning Arabic through the Al-Quran and classical kitab like Kitab Kuning. Okay. In addition, students are expected to mastering uh, use Al-Quran and Kitab Kuning. Uh, in 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 studying this, we had to translate Al-Quran and Kitab Kuning with Arabic language, and we had to sing a song about Kitab Kuning material. And same with English language program. After 1 month we study, we had to award ceremony will be held to recognize understanding students who have excellent during the learning period. Okay. Next, I will tell you about advantages and disadvantages from Arabic program. Advantages first is understanding the content of Al-Quran and Kitab Kuning, and of course, is it is easily to me, especially to memorize Al-Quran. Okay. Second is gaining comprehension of Kitab Kuning and Al-Quran. Third is effectively mastering the Arabic language. Okay. Next, disadvantages. A limited vocabulary because we just study uh, in two material, use Al-Quran and Kitab Kuning, and there are no module. And the second is a learning experience that can feel monotonous, can be boring because we just sing a song repetitively. And third is instructors who may not be very engaging. Okay, next I will explain input and output from Arabic program. The input, especially for me, easily memorizing Al-Quran because I have mastery Arabic language. And second is effectively understanding the Arabic language, of course. And third, easily interpreting classical Islamic, like Kitab Kuning. And output we get same with English program. We had certificate and reward for you, the best learners during during program. Okay, next. Okay, the last I will say thank you for your attention. I hope my experience can inspiration you and will be useful. Okay, the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.